Hi friends, we all know that due to COVID-19, cinema hall remained closed in our country for months. And after a long time, finally they are open, but they have failed to gather the crowd. People are fearing to go to places that are crowded due to coronavirus. Such a situation, two films were released on the OTT platform. One was Lakshmi on Hotstar and another one was Ludo on Netflix, where Lakshmi was flopped due to its weak presentation and Ludo has been liked a lot. This means that even on the OTT platform, a film cannot be hit only on the basis of a big star. It needs a good story and a good direction. So guys, today I'll be reviewing the film Ludo that was recently released on Netflix. This is a very different kind of film. We can actually call it an experimental cinema because it is inspired by a game that is called Ludo, which has 4 different stories in it that are interrelated to each other in some or the other way. The star cast of the film Ludo released on Netflix is huge. It stars Abhishek Bachchan, Rajkumar Rao, Aditya Roy Kapoor, Pankaj Tripathi, Fatima Sana Sheikh and Sanya Malhotra. The story of the film shows the troubles and the changes in the lives of some different people. Keep in mind that there are some scenes in the film that are not appropriate, so if you are watching it with the family, then take care of it. The story of the film is of such different people who are upset or trapped in some way in their life but still keep a connection with each other. Sattu Tripathi, who is a person of criminal nature, gives money to people on interest and takes them off if they are not found. There are other wrong businesses in which he is the king of his world. Bittu Tiwari, who once worked for Sattu, is now trying to leave the world of crime for his family to become a gentleman and had been sentenced for 6 years. Akash Chauhan, who is a mimicry artist and is trying to delete the video that went viral after meeting Shruti on a date. Shruti Chokshi, whose dream is to live a happy life by marrying a rich boy. Alok Kumar, who loves his childhood friend Pinky and loves him even after she is married. Pinky, who loves her husband and child but misses Alok whenever she gets in some trouble. Rahul Avasthi, who is a salesman in a mall and fed up with scolding and beating of his boss. Sheeja Thomas, who is a nurse from Kerala, but due to lack of Hindi language, the other nurse make fun of her. Suddenly, something happens that all the events are found and there is a huge turmoil in everyone's life. The story of Ludo is written by Anurag Basu and Samrat Chakrabarti, which will not let you move from the seat. While watching the film, your thrill will increase at every turn and you will not even feel like getting up without watching the whole film. Some scenes that are going to tickle you and some scenes can make your eyes heavy with tears. The director has made a great film in which you will see his remarkable work. In acting, Pankaj Tripathi is in the role of criminal Sattu Bhaiya and Rajkumar Rao is in the role of a failed lover who has done such good work that even if you don't know him yet, you will start liking him. Aditya Roy Kapoor and Abhishek Bachchan seems to be fine, while Sanya also did a great job. Fatima looked very beautiful in the role of Pinky. Some new artists appeared in Rohit Suresh and Parle work was also appreciated. Hopefully both of them will continue to do similar films. The song music in the film is fine and the songs like Barbaad and Humdum sounds melodious. The song Kabhi Naram Kabhi Garam from the classic film Albela that plays in the background touches the heart and the track will definitely be playing in your head after the movie is over. Overall, the film is very good and you must watch it. The film gets 8 out of 10 from my side. So that was all about the movie. I hope you like it. Thank you.